Group trips are super fun. However, it's easy to lose track of all payments made by the group and how much each person owes. The solution to that is TripLight. TripLight is an easy to navigate and user-friendly website meant to help you manage your trip. TripLight allows you and your friends to really connect with each other and enjoy your time together without having the hassle of keeping track of things like payment details and other logistics. When you first open up the website, you'll start off by registering your new trip with a group name and trip ID, among other information which will be used to log in and access the trip info later on. Once you've logged in, you can view all the trip details you have previously entered and add changes such as updating the group expenses or updating the number of individuals on the trip. All changes are updated automatically, and the changes can be viewed by logging in again. The sample code shown here is how we built the dashboard, where we show details of the trip. This part is primarily built using HTML. Using some JavaScript and the Fetch API, we send the credentials entered in the login prompt to our web server using an XML HTTP GET request, and if there was a match, the server sends us back the information about the trip that we can show the user. Each button press sends instructions to our server for how to modify the user's saved information, from adding more people to the trip to adding a new cost mid-trip. Our story begins with a trip planned within our friend group. Organizing large trips with our group of around 15 people proved to be a challenge. We often found ourselves having new people join in or people backing out at the last minute. On top of this, fairly distributing costs became difficult, as accurately forecasting all potential costs was near impossible. These are the problems we decided to tackle when making TripLight, the answer to all financial planning needs for any group trips. TripLight's ability to manage a group at any point remotely means setup can be done well in advance of the trip and information can be accessed and updated mid-trip. This allows for fair distribution of money without having to waste any time. Our next steps would be to add additional features to our service, such as an editable, built-in itinerary, allowing a detailed breakdown of each cost, and AI recommended activities for the chosen location and time. If you want your group trips to be done right, use TripLight. Thank you.